Hello everyone. In this video, we will study the accounting treatment when appropriation of profits is more than the given net profits. Now we already know about the nature of treatment, and nature of treatment can be of two types: treatment as an appropriation of profit and treatment as a charge on profits. Treatment as an appropriation of profit means the treatment of the given information depends on profits. That means if there is profit, then the treatment will be done. But if there is loss, then no treatment will be given. And treatment as a charge on profit means compulsory treatment irrespective of profit or ignoring profit. That means the treatment will be given even if there is loss to the firm. And now we know that all the adjustments related to partners, other than interest on partner's loan and rent payable to a partner, is treated as an appropriation of profit. Now the question arises, if appropriation of profit is more than the given net profit, then how we will give the accounting treatment for the same. We will discuss this with the help of an example. For example, there are two partners X and Y. Their profit sharing ratio is 3 is to 2. Their capital account balances are rupees 10 lakh and rupees 5 lakh respectively. According to deed, interest on capital is allowed at the rate 8% per annum. During the year, firm earned a net profit of rupees 45,000. You are required to show the distribution of profit. Whenever the requirement of the question is show the distribution of profit, that means we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Because why we prepare profit and loss appropriation account? The answer is to show the distribution of profit. Now we know that profit and loss appropriation account is an extension of profit and loss account. That's why first of all we will transfer the given net profit in profit and loss appropriation accounts by profit and loss accounts net profits, that is rupees 45,000. In the given question, we have only single adjustment, that is interest on capital is allowed at the rate 8% per annum. And we know that in the absence of any information about the nature of treatment, interest on capital is treated as an appropriation of profit. आपको ध्यान रखना है कि क्वेश्चन में इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल के बारे में मेंशन किया जा सकता है कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज ट्रीटेड एज ए चार्ज ऑन प्रॉफिट. इन दैट केस आप इसकी ट्रीटमेंट एज ए चार्ज ऑन प्रॉफिट ही करेंगे अगर क्वेश्चन में ऐसा मेंशन किया गया. बट इफ द क्वेश्चन इज साइलेंट अबाउट द नेचर ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट, then it is always treated as an appropriation of profit. And because it is an appropriation of profit, it is an expense from the point of view of the firm. That's why recorded in the debit side to interest on capitals at the rate 8% per annum. Now if we calculate the interest at the given rate, then the calculation will be interest on X capital 8% of rupees 10 lakh, it will be rupees 80,000, and interest on Y's capital 8% of 5 lakh, it will be rupees 40,000. That means the total interest is 1,20,000. Now the interest amount is 1,20,000, but the given profit is only rupees 45,000. This means the appropriation of profit is more than the given net profit. In this case, the total amount of interest cannot be provided to the partners because it is treated as an appropriation of profit. That means it will be given only out of profit, but we have profit of rupees 45,000. That's why the complete amount of interest cannot be allowed to the partners. In this case, the interest will be allowed in the ratio of appropriation In this question, the ratio of appropriation stand for the ratio of interest on capital. It is 2:1. Now, the given profit will be distributed as interest on capital in the ratio of 2:1 among the partners. It will be rupees 30,000 and 15,000. The total amount is 45,000. This will be the accounting treatment of the given information when the amount of appropriation is more than available profit. इसी को हम एक अनदर एग्जांपल की हेल्प से डिस्कस करते हैं. सेम टॉपिक. नाउ द सेकेंड एग्जांपल इज सपोज A and B are partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 2:1. A is a non-working partner and contribute rupees 12 lakh as capital. B is a working partner. As per the provision of the deed, interest on capital will be allowed at the rate 10% per annum, and a salary of rupees 7,500 per month will be given to the non-working partner, that is the B. At the end of the year, firm earned a net profit of rupees 70,000. Net profit means the result of profit and loss accounts. That means the before any given appropriation. We are required to show the distribution of profit. That means we have to maintain profit and loss appropriation accounts. In this case, first of all, we will transfer here the given profits by profit and loss accounts. Net profits, the amount is rupees 75,000. Now, if we see in the working notes, the interest on A's capital at the rate 10% per annum will be rupees 1,20,000. 10% of rupees 12 lakh, it will be rupees 1,20,000. And B's salary at the rate 7,500 per month, that means multiplied by 12, it will be rupees 90,000. It means the total appropriation will be 2,10,000. Now the appropriation of profit is 2,10,000, but the available profit is only rupees 70,000. That means again the appropriation of profit is more than the given net profit. In this case, we will distribute the given net profit in the ratio of appropriation. That means 4:3, because the complete interest as well as salary cannot be allowed out of the given profit, and these are treated as an appropriation of profit. That means given only from the profits. Now, because the complete amount cannot be allowed, that's why in this case the given profits will be distributed in the ratio of appropriation. It is 4:3. So, to interest on A's capital, it will be 4/7 of rupees 70,000. That means 40,000. And to B's salary, it will be 3/7 of rupees 70,000. That means 30,000. In this case, finally, there will be no divisible profit or loss with the firm. So, this will be the solution when appropriation of profit will be more than the given net profits. Now, the most important, or we can say that the conclusion of this topic is, if appropriation of profits is more than the given net profits, then the given profits will be distributed in the ratio of appropriation. In the ratio of appropriation. यहां पर ध्यान रखना है कि हम रेशियो ऑफ एप्रोप्रिएशन की बात कर रहे हैं, and this ratio of approbation is not the given profit sharing ratio. ये रेशियो ऑफ एप्रोबेशन डिपेंड करेगी गिवन एडजस्टमेंट पर कि पार्टनर्स को आपने क्या क्या अलाउ करना है जो कि एज ए ट्रीटेड एज एन एप्रोबेशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट, उसकी जो रेशियो बनेगी दैट विल बी नेम्ड एज द रेशियो ऑफ एप्रोप्रिएशन.